What is up? What is poppin'? It's your girl Samarra and I'm back with another video. So today I am starting my preparations for moving. Literally, moving day is in 3 days. It is Wednesday, August 18th. My moving day is this Saturday, the 21st. I leave for ATL this Friday, and I am now just starting to pack. So I have a lot to do. I have a lot to pack. To be honest, I don't even know where to start. I just bought some suitcases with my mother. I got these two from Primark. Hopefully they don't break on me. And then this one is an older suitcase I've had. To be honest, I really don't know where to start. Like, I'm gonna really tear this room apart trying to find clothes I want to bring. I'm trying to debate how I want to do this moving process through YouTube. If I wanted to do a two-part video where I do the preparations and then the actual moving day, or if I just wanted to put it all together. It really depends on how long, because I don't know if people are gonna really want a long video, and it depends on how much footage I take. That's the plan, but if that's not the plan, this is just gonna be a whole big video. So regardless of what I end up doing with this vlog, I hope y'all enjoy it. This is definitely gonna take a lot of time for me to edit and a lot of time for me to like record and make sure everything is good, but I'm actually really excited, and I'm excited for y'all to watch this process with me, especially if you've been with me since freshman year of high school. Like, yeah girl, I'm grown. And let me actually get into the packing. I just did laundry, so I have my first bag of clothes I put here, and then I have this other big bag of clothes. I'm gonna spill them all out on my bed, and I'm just gonna start off with the clean clothes, well, like the freshly clean clothes, and then I'm gonna make my way towards the closet and my drawers to see if there's anything else. Y'all, I'm out of breath. Anything else that I'm missing. I decided that for like certain items, like my underwears and my bras, I'm watching another YouTube video. For like underwears and bras, I'm going to put them in a bag, because like you just don't want certain stuff touching other things. Yeah, but these are all the clothes so far. I'm probably not gonna pack all of these. I'm more so gonna look at what clothes I am definitely gonna wear and put them in there, so I'm not ODing it when it comes to packing, and to make sure I'm not packing unnecessary stuff, because if I pack all of this and I can't find one outfit to go out, that's a problem. So I'm gonna go through them individually. If they don't match the criteria, I'm gonna put them back in my drawer. Okay guys, I'm back again to talk. So I realized, in order to make sure that I'm packing what I need and make this a little bit faster for me, before putting things in my suitcases, section out my clothes based on like how I would wear it. So I'd have like my sweatpants and like my more baggier pants here. I have my like going to sleep, just regular like t-shirts, throw-on shirts. Here's gonna be like my jeans. Here's gonna be all my nice dressy shirts if I want to go out or just look cute. Here's gonna be all my little shorts for like going to bed. And I'm gonna make another pile for my sweatshirts and my sweaters. So I'm gonna do that first before I put it in there, because I think it'll help me see more of what I need rather than just throwing it all at once. Okay guys, so I think I finished organizing in the sections. Now I'm gonna put it back in. I'm gonna go put them in the luggages. I am very tired. I just took a quick like 15-30, I don't know, minute break, because just organizing it was a pain in the butt. Okay guys, so I'm back to give y'all an update. It's been like 1 hour later. I'm not really sure, I lost track of time, but basically let me show y'all what I got done. So I packed all my like dressy nice shirts in there. I packed all my sweatpants and like bummy shirts, like throw on shirts in here, and some nice shirts. And then in here I have all my jeans. My shoes are on the bottom. And then I have my sweaters over there. And then I'm gonna put some bags. I did a good job. The only thing is I really didn't think I need a whole bag for each individual like artifact. Like this one is just for shirts. This one is for like sweats and t-shirts. This one's jeans, shoes, sweaters, and bags. I'm glad I didn't go over. It looks like I'm not gonna need a 4th suitcase because I feel like that'll be too much, and at that point I'll be overpacking. But I still feel like I kind of overpacked right now, but it's whatever. I do plan to come back for the breaks, so I will just start bringing things back periodically so I don't gotta worry about a lot on move out day. But yeah guys, other than that, for the most part I think I'm done with packing. I just gotta add some extras, and I'm gonna add that in tomorrow. I'm really tired. I am playing some Fortnite right now because this is gonna be the last time I play on my P4 because I'm not bringing it with me. So I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in, let's say, like 24 hours. I am currently at the store because I am running errands to get some last minute stuff. I need to get a spray bottle. I need to get some backup nose rings, and I might need a hot comb because I feel like my hot comb is not hot enough. Hi. Hi. Where do you keep your spray bottles?
Spray bottles?
Yeah.
I think there's some down here. Over here.
Okay.
Keep looking on the floor.
Okay.
One of the baskets.
Thank you. Where do you guys keep the nose rings? It's each individual one, right? It's like an individual. I want this one right here.
In the middle?
Yeah. And that flower one on the top, the hoop.
The gold one or the flower?
The flower. You guys take Apple Pay, right? Okay, I can use my card. All set?
Insert.
Thank you. You too. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I was trying to film while out in public, but I feel like I was doing too much. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. I got a spray bottle because, as you can tell, I have a curly wig in, but also just in general, every spray bottle I've gotten that's like the squirt one always breaks or never works. I literally bought one from the hair store a while back and it didn't work from the jump, so that really pissed me off. So I got this one because I know this one is gonna work, and it's a mist, so it's not like too much at once. I also got some nose piercings and rings. I put it in the bottle so I didn't lose it, but it's in like a, yeah, I got that because literally this morning my nose ring fell out, and I'm glad I found it, but now that I think about it, it's just like that's probably gonna happen a lot while I'm out there, and it's not gonna be as easily accessible to get a new one, and I want to prevent my hole from closing because it is new. So I got some extra ones just in case it ever falls out. But yeah guys, I'm just gonna finish packing, and that's gonna be really it for today. My flight is at 7 a.m. tomorrow, leaving around 4 or 5. So I'm gonna finish packing. I'm gonna watch Leah Lee because she just posted her get ready with me for college, and I've been waiting all day to watch it. So I'm gonna watch that, pack, and hey y'all, so your girl didn't end off her video because I was assuming I was going to put everything together, but I decided I wasn't because I felt like it would be too long. So this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Stay tuned. Next video coming out is the move-in vlog, so stay tuned. I'm so excited for y'all to see that. And after that, we have the first day of classes. So many videos coming on the way. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I know it was shorter, but I did it so that y'all not watching like 2-hour-long videos. So yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. And I'll see y'all in the next motherfucking video.